Hi everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. So heto na nga, this is the recap of my first ever trip. As you can see here, I was with these beautiful ladies. At dahil first timers nga kami, syempre, napaka-excited namin maglakad. Talagang na-test yung walking skills. At wala ring sawang mag-pose. Kasi tignan mo nga naman, napakaganda ng place at ang weather, so perfect kaya kahit gabi, walang pinalampas. Hanggang sa makarating kami dito sa lugar na to na if you can only see, talagang mapapanganga ka. Tingnan mo, feel namin na parang Korean. At syempre, hanggang sa nakarating sa Yellowheart. And that's all. Thank you for watching.